Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. So finally we are at the small garden, and today I have started planting some onions, some green onions and some turnips, and I am planning to plant some radishes as well and green salad in this tiny space. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it right now. As you see, I don't have that much space, so I'm going to use each little space that I have in here. So in here, we're going to plant three types of radishes. I have the yellow radish, the white icicle, and the red radish, which I collected from last season in this garden. So we're just gonna do that. Okay, so that's the red radish. Now we're going to do the yellow radish. So it will be right here. Oops. What is this? Okay, let's do the yellow radish here. So we'll be right here. There you go. And now the icicle white radish. I like to just leave it right here, I think. Alright, so we'll just cover it just like that. So the radish grows really fast. By about a month, I am going to be able to harvest it. So earlier I have planted the green onions in this side, and then I have the turnips, and then the another onions. I have yellow, red, and white onions, and in here I planted turnips as well and beets. So I am planning to plant some tomatoes later on in this pole, but I can't do that right now because the weather is still cold, so I have to wait for I think another 3 weeks to bring them back outside. I already have planted them inside the house, so they are growing already, I think about this much. So I'll see the space for the tomato. So in these bins right here, I have planted all my kales. I have planted the curl leaves kale, the red Russian kale, and lacinato kale. I will show the video to you maybe later on, but for now I am going to plant more lettuces in this area. So it is simple as making a line like that. And oh yeah, this space right here, I am saving it as well for the tomatoes that I will soon transplant in here. So in here, this is the mixed lettuce. So I think there's, maybe 5 or 6 types of lettuces. It's called gourmet green mix. So I'm just gonna plant it in here. So we're just gonna plant it like this. There you go. And just cover it up lightly. All right, so I already planted lettuces, kale, turnips, beets, onions, and shallot, and radishes as well. You will be surprised when everything grows in this small little area. My name is Rica, and thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button, and if you are not subscribed yet, please consider to subscribe. I greatly appreciate your support. Bye for now, and see you on my next video.